Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing slash unpackaging to share with you guys. I know exactly what's in here because this was sent by Super Steel Steve, so thank you very much, Mr. Super Steel Steve, for sending this in. And thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can find a link for my Patreon right down in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, let's go ahead and get in here. Don't want to share, I want to be able to get into this and not share his private information. So one sec, quick cut off camera, and we're almost there. Bear with me. Thoroughly packaged, absolutely. We got two. Oh, there's the box. Knife came out. We got two knives here. Two Cold Steel Ti-Lites. Here's the first one. I have never handled these, but they're super popular. In fact, I will be linking these knives right down in the description so that you guys can take a look. But yeah, these are very, very popular. And I mean, they have that sort of old school Italian stiletto look. Can you front flip it? I mean, yeah, I guess you can. You use that notch back there. But yeah, it has that old school Italian stiletto look. It just has the Cold Steel tactical spin on it, right? Yeah, it feels good. I don't think these are super expensive, right? So I'm not expecting anything crazy. I will tell you right off the bat, if you have your finger, index finger, in this position right here, which is where I want to brace when I'm flipping it, that little flipper tab runs into it. I mean, okay. I'll save some of this for the actual review. Not a review, by the way. Just unboxing these. First time I've handled them, so I'm just giving first impressions. What do we have here? We got 4-inch and 4. Are they both exactly the same? Xi X, and this must be something a little bit. Oh, we got a flashy boy here. Okay, I kind of like this one better with what I assume are aluminum scales. And then the blade on this has got a little bit different finish. Oh, this is S35VN. What's this other one here? This is AUS 8A. So AUS 8 and then the annealed version of it, which is a little different than AUS 8. So it's like we've got a more premium version and we've got a less expensive version. I believe these are available, and I think there's multiple different variants of them. Whatever is available will be linked right down below, but I just thought these were cool. I like Cold Steel knives, right? I like looking at the weird stuff that's out there. This is not traditionally something that I carry. Like, it's not a style of knife that I generally carry, but they are neat, you know? Pretty much anything from Cold Steel nowadays is something that I will take a look at, but just considering the popularity of these things, ooh, that's not super. I don't know that it's really meant to be used as a front flipper. You can do it, but it's not super comfortable on my finger. This one seems to, the more premium one feels a little more solid, both in terms of the scales and the lockup, right? But that might just be the sound and the feeling that I'm getting bouncing off of the frame, right? So these are neat. I don't know that there's a whole lot more I can say. You guys will get a full comprehensive review of this 2 to 3 weeks down the road from right now, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed. Like I said, these will be listed down below. Make sure to follow me. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Thanks again, Super Steel Steve, for sending these in. I really appreciate that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.